In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Brevo, a user-friendly tool for creating email campaigns. Let's walk through these steps together, making sure we cover everything you need to know to get your email campaigns up and running smoothly. To kick things off, open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up and then log in. Having access to your Brevo dashboard is crucial as it allows you to manage and track your campaigns with ease. Now, with access to your dashboard, locate the Campaigns tab. Click on it and then select Create a Campaign. This is where the magic begins. You'll be presented with a few options to choose from, like creating a regular campaign or trying an A/B test to see which version performs better. Name your campaign something descriptive that will make it easy to identify later on. Next, you'll need to select your sender information, which includes the sender's name and email address. This is important because it's what your recipients will see in their inbox. With your campaign underway, it's time to customize it by adding or updating essential details. You'll want to double-check your sender and recipient details, craft an engaging subject line, and think about the overall design and other settings that will make your campaign shine. Brevo offers flexibility when it comes to designing your email. You can choose from existing templates if you are looking for something quick and easy, or if you prefer creating a unique design, you can start from scratch. There are several options to consider, such as the drag-and-drop editor, a simple editor, or even uploading your HTML custom code if you have a specific design in mind. If you go for the drag-and-drop editor, you have the opportunity to infuse your brand's personality into the email. Incorporate your brand elements, like your logo, characteristic colors, and distinctive fonts. This design approach not only keeps your campaign professional, but also makes it recognizable to your audience. Before finalizing everything, you have the option to preview and test your email. This is an invaluable step, allowing you to ensure that everything looks just right and that the email will be received as you intended. If everything's good to go, you can choose to either send it immediately or schedule it for a later date or time that suits your campaign goals. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps will guide you through sending an email campaign in Brevo. Remember, practice makes perfect, and exploring the features Brevo offers will only enhance your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email marketing.